You've now got a very good idea about which sources of funding best suits your business. The next step is to make sure you have everything in place to make your pitch a success. Being able to successfully pitch your business to funders and investors is one of the most important skills for any small business. The critical question to ask yourself and help guide your pitch is, if I were an investor, would I invest in this business? A successful pitch has a number of ingredients. A strong USP, unique selling proposition. That's what makes you different and stands out from the competition. Evidence of a good team. It's not just about you. Who else is part of your business? A credible business plan with a compelling executive summary. Proof of concept. Provide them with information about the actions and results you have achieved to date. A strong reason why they should invest and a clear exit plan so that they know how quickly they can expect a return on their investment. And finally, a polished but enthusiastic verbal pitch. You also need to make sure that your accounts and business policies and procedures are in order. Remember, you're not selling your product or service, you're selling shares in your company. The investor wants to know what drives the share value and how he or she can get a good return on their investment. Yes, your pitch should include details about your product or service, but it should also cover other things such as the team, the marketplace, and your marketing plan. Focus on why your company is worth investing in, not just your product or service. Make sure you know what you are asking for too. That may sound odd, but one of the criticisms many investors make is that small businesses are often vague about the amount of investment they want. Make sure you are specific about how much you want and how you plan to use it. It's difficult for investors to say yes if they don't know what they are saying yes to. Aim to get in front of as many potential investors as possible. It's all too easy to spend weeks and even months putting all the information together and perfecting your presentation and never finding out whether that's what investors want to hear. Take advantage of investment forums and get used to talking to and presenting to investors. It can take some considerable time, so make sure you start the process as early as possible. And keep your presentation or pitch short and to the point. Investors don't want lengthy and overcomplicated presentations. Keep focused and use facts and results to back up your key message. And use other members of your team as part of the presentation. That really helps. Finally, if an investor or funder makes you an offer, don't feel pressurized into making rash decisions. Real life rarely mimics the cut and thrust of Dragon's Den. If you say yes too quickly, you may well regret giving up too much equity or settling for high interest rate charges. Above all, it's important that you trust your funding partners and get on with them. You're going to be doing business together for some time, so the personal relationships you build from the start are vital.